Hello, hi students, welcome back to my channel Influence Mathematics. Here we are going to start with the new exercise, that is 6.2. In this exercise, before we start solving out the problems of this exercise, let's know some basic concept which you have already learned in class 7 and class 8. But just to remind you once again, let's discuss all these points, then we will coming out with the problems. Now see, you can see here two lines, yes or no? Right, this is two lines. Okay, so these two lines, let's suppose these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel, and let us name it as AB and this one as CD. Okay, and this, the line which is cutting, which is intersecting the line AB and CD. The line which is intersecting AB and CD is called the transversal, and let us name it as EF. Okay, so EF here is the transversal and AB and CD are parallel lines. Got it? Okay, now if AB and CD are parallel lines and EF is the transversal, just remember, notice each and every word. Here, if the two lines are parallel and EF is the transversal, then the condition that I am going to say you, all this will be effective. If these two lines are not parallel, then the conditions will not be coming. Okay, so if these two lines are parallel and EF is the transversal, then let us say this one is angle 1, this one is angle 2, this one is 3, this one is 4, this one is 5, this one is 6, this one is 7, this one is 8. Done? Now, if these two lines are parallel and EF is the transversal, then this is the exterior angle, this is the exterior angle, this 7 is the exterior angle, this 8 is the exterior angle. Okay, outside angles. These 1, 2 are exterior angles, 7 and 8 are the exterior angle. Okay, now interior, what are the interior angles? 4, 3 are the interior angles, 6, 5 are the interior angles. Okay, now interior angles on the same side of transversal. What are the interior angles on the same side of transversal? 4 and 6 are the interior angles on the same side of transversal. Same side of the transversal, 4 and 6. In the same way, 3 and 5 are the interior angles on the same side of the transversal, 3 and 5. Now let's discuss about the exterior angle on the same side of transversal. Exterior angle 1 and 7 are the exterior angle on the same side of transversal. At the same time, 2 and 8 are the exterior angles on the same side of transversal. Okay. Now, this angle 1, next point, this angle 1 and angle 3. These are vertically opposite angle that you know, right? Angle 1 and angle 3 vertically opposite angle. In the same way, 2 and 4 are vertically opposite angle. Done. So these two are equal. 1 and 3 is equal, 2 and 4 is equal. Okay. In the same way, 6 and 8 is equal, vertically opposite angle. 7 and 5 is equal, vertically opposite angle. This was about vertically opposite angles, which we have discussed before also. Okay. Now, 1 and 2 are linear pair, right? This is forming half circle, 1 and 2. In the same way, 2 and 3 also linear pair. In the same way, 4 and 3 also linear pair. In the same way, 4 and 1 also linear pair. In the same way, 6 and 5 is linear pair, 5 and 8 is linear pair, 8 and 7 is linear pair, and 7 and 6 is linear pair. Done? Now, when these two lines are parallel and EF is the transversal, conditions are this 1, exterior angle on this side of the transversal, and this 8, exterior angle on the other side of the transversal. These two are alternate angles. 1 and 8 are alternate angles. These two are equal. 1 and 8 is equal because of alternate angles. Alternate angles. Okay, 1 and 8. Alternate angles, exterior alternate angles. In the same way, 2 and 7 on the different side, it should be on the different side of the transversal. Okay, 2 and 7 is going to be exterior alternate angles 2 and 7. 2, 7. These two are equal, these two are equal. This is exterior. I am talking about exterior alternate angles. Okay? Exterior alternate angle, this is exterior, right? So don't take this 4, 3. Don't say 1 and 5. No. 5 is interior, 1 is exterior. You cannot say alternate angles 1 and 5. But 1 and 8. 1 on this side, left side, and 8 on the right side of the transversal, and they both are exterior. So 1 and 8 are alternate exterior angles. Exterior alternate angles 1 and 8. In the same way 2 and 7. Now same interior alternate angles. What are? Now we will not see this 1, 2 and 7, 8. We will see only this 4. Okay, inside. Interior means inside. 4 and 5. See, cross. Right? This is on the left side. 5 is on the right side. Yes or no? So 4 and 5 are interior alternate angles. In the same way 3 and 6 are interior alternate angles. Correct? This is about alternate angles. Now corresponding angles. We will be talking about corresponding. So in the corresponding angles, let us see what are the in the corresponding angles. We have to see on the same side of transversal. See, on the same side of transversal, line upside this side, left side. Okay, line upside. What is there? 1. Here line upside. What is there? 6. So 1, 6. 1, 6. 1 exterior angle. Okay. Again, let us see on the left side. Line downside. What is there? 4. Line downside. What is there? 7. So 4, 7. 4, 7. Another one. Okay. Now let us see on the right side. Line upside on the right side. Okay. Line upside 2. Here line upside 5. So 2, 5. 2, 5. Done. Let us see another one on the right side itself. Line downside 3. Line downside 8. So 3, 8. 3, 8. So these 4 are the corresponding angles. In corresponding angles there is no exterior and interior. But in alternate angles there is exterior alternate angles and interior alternate angles. I hope it is clear. Alternate angle, cross. You have to go cross. 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 Okay. When exterior, then you have to see only the outside one. Outside this side and on the other side 8. Cross. Okay. Only the exterior you have to see, not the interior. Okay. 2, 7. In the same way, when interior 4, 5, 3, 6. Done. When corresponding, you have to see on the same side of the transversal, and depends on the line. Line upside, then here also line upside. Here line upside, here line upside. No. Line upside 1, here line upside 6. So 1, 6 corresponding angle. 1 equal to 6. 1 is equal to 6 corresponding angle. The same way, line downside 4, line downside 7. 4 is equal to 7. Line upside 2, line upside 5. 2 is equal to 5. In the same way, 3. Line downside 8, line downside on the same side of the transversal, so 3 is equal to 8. These all are corresponding angles. Hope it is clear. Let us resume. Again, some more points. See, sum of the interior angles on the same side of transversal. See, this is the transversal. What are the interior angles on the same side of transversal? 4 and 6. Yes or no? So 4 plus 6 is equal to 180. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is equal to 180. Okay. Why? Because they are on the same side of transversal and both are interior. Okay. In the same way, exterior angle on the same side of transversal. 1 and 7. Okay. 1 and 7 are also 180. Sum of 1 and 7. 1 plus 7 is equal to 180 degree. Done. In the same way, on the right side you see, interior angles 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5 is 180. Again, exterior angle 2 and 8. So 2 plus 8 is 180. This is also a property. Okay. 3 plus 5 interior angle 180 and 2 plus 8 is also equal to 180 degree. So this is the sum of the interior angles on the same side of transversal. See here. Sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal is 180 degree. Okay, the same things in place of interior, it can be exterior also. In place of interior, it can be exterior. Sum of exterior angles on the same side of transversal is also 180 degree. Okay, maybe interior, maybe exterior. But if interior, then both should be interior. If exterior, then both should be exterior. But both the interior or exterior should be on the same side of transversal. Remember that. Then only the sum is 180 degree. So with all these properties, we are going to resume our exercise 6.2, question number 1. Let's see the sum. Here, the question says, in figure 6.35, this is the figure given, find the values of x and y. We have to find the values of x and y and then show that AB is parallel to CD. Here it is not given that this AB is parallel to CD. Okay, here it is not shown. That means, what I have told you previously, that the conditions of corresponding angles, alternate angles, right, and the properties of the interior on the same side of transversal and exterior on the same side of transversal is this all properties in alternate angle, corresponding angles, and these properties, all these exist if these two lines are parallel. Okay, that means the reverse, ulta, the reverse also we can see that if alternate angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, then also we can say that these two lines are parallel. That means if these two lines are parallel, then these alternate and corresponding angles are going to be equal, right? So in the same way, if these alternate angles and corresponding angles are equal, then we can say AB is parallel to, these two lines are parallel. AB is parallel to CD. Got it? I hope it is clear. If this happens, then this also happens. If this happens, then this also happens. Got it? So here first of all we have to find the value of x and y. Let's see. See, this x and 50 is making linear pair. Yes or no? X and 50 is making linear pair. Half circle. So, solution. We can say x plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. Why? It both are making linear pair. X is equal to 180 minus 50 degree. So x is equal to 130 degree. Done. That's the value of x. Now see, this y and 130 are making vertically opposite angles. Both are vertically opposite angles. So we can write down y is equal to 130 degree. Why? Vertically opposite angles. Done. So both the values of x and y we got. Now we have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. Now see what I told. If the lines are parallel, then alternate and corresponding angles exist. And the inverse of that is, if the alternate and corresponding angles exist, then we can say the lines are parallel. So here we are asked to prove that lines are parallel. So we have to see whether the alternate and corresponding angles are equal or not. Let's see. These two are the line down, line down. These are corresponding angles. X value how much we got? 130, and this is also 130. That means corresponding angles are equal. Yes or no? X value how much? 130. Y value how much we got? 130. The alternate angles are equal. Yes or no? X value also 130. Y value also 130. So this is also 130 and this is also 130. See, corresponding angles are equal. Line down on the same side of transversal. Corresponding angles are equal. Alternate angles 130, 130. Alternate angles are also equal. So since alternate angles and corresponding angles are equal, so we can say that these lines are parallel. Okay, in the inverse property. So we will write down alternate angles and corresponding angles are equal. So AB is parallel to CD. Done. I hope it is clear. Let's see the next sum. See, in this figure what they say, given if AB is parallel to CD, this is given, right? AB is parallel to CD. This is AB, CD, EF. AB is parallel to CD. Okay? These two lines are parallel. And CD is parallel to AF. These two lines are parallel. Then Y is to Z equal to 3 is to 7. Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to 7. This is given, right? So let Y equal to 3A, Z equal to 7A. Don't take X here because one more X term is there. So that's why we are taking as A. Okay? Y equal to 3A, Z equal to 7A. Done? Now, we have to find out the value of this X. Now see, this is Y. Right? This is Y. These two, this angle and this angle, these two angles are forming what? Linear pair. Right? If this is Y, then what is this angle? 180 minus Y. Yes or no? This is Y. Then this will be 180 minus Y. Done? Now this is Z. And this is 180 minus Y. These two are alternate angles or not? That means Z is equal to 180 minus Y or not? Yes or no? So, CD is parallel to EF. So that means Z is equal to 180 minus Y. Right? Why? Because this is forming alternate angles. Forming alternate angles. Cross. Interior alternate angles. Okay? So, solution Z is equal to 180 minus Y. 180 minus Y. Why? Because alternate angles, or you can say interior alternate angles. Okay. Now Z. What is the value of Z here? 7A. 180 minus. What is the value of Y here? 3A. Done. 7A minus 3A coming this side plus 3A is equal to 180. Done. So 7A plus 3A, how much? 10A is equal to 180. That means A is equal to 180 by 10. 0, 0 cancel. It is 18 degree. Done. So the main thing that we got the value of A here. The main thing that for the start of this sum, the main thing that you have to know is, this is Y. You have to take this one as 180 minus Y. That you have to remember. Okay? Y, 180 minus Y. And these two are alternate angles. Right? Because these two lines are parallel. This is 180 minus Y. Why? Because the linear pair. Done? This is from your understanding. So, Y, 180 minus Y. Because linear pair. Okay? So, these two are the alternate angles. So, Z equal to 180 minus Y. Because it is interior alternate angles. Putting the values that has been given in ratio, putting the values in the form of A, Z equal to 7A, Y equal to 3A. So, solving out and getting the value of A, that is 18 degree. Right? Now, we have to find out the Y value, Z and Y value, actual Z and Y value. Okay? Y is equal to 3A. Right? So, Y is equal to 3A. A it is 18 degree. So, 3 18 ja 54 degree. In the same way, Z is equal to 7A. Right? 7A. So, 7 into 18 is equal to 7 8 ja 56. Canadian 5. 7 1 ja 7 plus 5. 126 degree. Done? Now, we have to find out the value of what? We have to find out the value of X. Y and Z though we got. But we have to find out the value of X that is asked in the question. So, see here. This X, AB is parallel to CD. CD is parallel to EF given. AB parallel to CD. CD parallel to EF. That means AB is parallel to EF. Yes or no? So we will write down here. Since AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, therefore AB parallel to CD, CD parallel to EF, therefore AB is parallel to EF. Okay, AB parallel to CD, CD parallel to EF, that means AB is parallel to EF. Got it? So AB parallel to EF. And if AB is parallel to EF, if AB is parallel to EF, then this is interior angle, this is Z is interior, X is interior angle, Z is interior angle on the different side cross, right, on the different side of the transversal. So that means this X and Z are making interior alternate angles, interior alternate angles. So that means X is equal to Z, X is equal to Z. So so therefore X is equal to Z. Why? Because interior alternate angles. Okay, so that means X is equal to, what is the value of Z? 126. So X value is also 126 degree. So this is how we solved out this question number 2. Okay, so for all this you need to know the basic concept of the chapter, that is alternate angle, corresponding angle, vertically opposite angle, linear pairs, sum of the interior angle 180 degrees, sum of the exterior angle 180 degrees. All these concepts you need, okay, to understand more clearly. So whatever I taught you today, you revise it again and again, do it, then you will understand this, both the sums. And after understanding, we will be coming out tomorrow with the next video, where we will be doing the remaining sums of this exercise. Copy down this, whatever I taught you in this video, in your notebook, and click the photo and send it in my WhatsApp number 8731847203. So be at home, stay safe. It's Nirmal Roy signing off.